I hope you have a great day. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to design this beautiful organizational chart in PowerPoint. Keys that I'm using during the design, you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background. I'm going to give it some different color. This one, and go to insert and shape and take a rounded rectangle, drag a rounded rectangle by holding shift alt. Okay. Again, go to insert shapes and take another rounded rectangle only from two sides, make it full rounded. Okay, place it here and drag according to the okay, the first one rounded rectangle. Yes, I'm going to give it some gradient. I need only two stops, so I'm going to delete the extra stop and give it this stop a gray color, and this will be white. Shape outline, go in. Okay, let me the direction from top to down, and shape outline, give it white outline, give it some shadow effect. I'm going with this shadow effect. Transparency will be increased to 80, size will be 104, and blur will be 9. Control Shift C and transfer the effect to the top one rounded rectangle. Control Shift V. Now I am going to change its gradient, give it a dark gray color to this top, more darker, and direction from left to right, and give it lighter darker so that the gradient become visible. Go to again insert and take an let me control G to group it and place it here at the center of the slide, and again take a rounded rectangle and drag a rounded rectangle like this. Let me make it bigger vertically and take this shape and put it this shape here like this. Select both, merge shape fragment by holding shift, select this one and delete. Let me select this under shape, under rounded rectangle, control shift C and control shift V to transfer the effect. Again, go to shape and take a rounded rectangle again and drag a rounded rectangle like this. Okay, I'm going to give it some different color, and let me okay, this one, and shape outline, make it no outline, send to back. Again, go to insert and take a text box, O1, select Oswald. You can download this font from Google. This is free font. Make it bold, and I'm going to make its size a little bit bigger than now. 32 will be okay, and place it here at the center. Okay, I'm going to align it through the arrow key, make it white. Bring some text that I typed earlier to save the time. Select this one, and this one. Control C and bring it to the slide by Control V. I'm going to put this text here. Select all these shapes with the text and Control G to group it. Control D to duplicate it and place it here with an arrow with the first one type, and again Control D, Control D. You can increase or decrease these shapes according to your requirement. I'm going to give these types a different one color, and also change 1 to 2. Likewise this one, select and give this type another different one color, and 1 to 3, change 1 to 3. Again select this shape and give some different color, some darker color, this one, and this is 4. This is type number 4. You can increase or decrease these types again according to your requirements. Let me put this text here, and this text, the headline will go here. So I'm going to increase the text font, the font size. Let me select and increase the font size. Okay, and put it here at the center. Again select and make it white. Go to insert and take a curly bracket and drag a curly bracket like this by through this handle, and hold shift and rotate it. Through this anchor point, I am going to make it curve. Gray color, Control D to duplicate it and make it smaller from both sides. Let me fix this one. There is difference in these two curves, so I'm going to put here under the first one curly bracket, and it will be okay. Let me align it. So let me select this one. Sorry, I'm going to select these brackets and send to back. I'm going to bring some icons from this icon tab. You can find your desired icon here in this icon tab. Just type your text in the search icon bar and you will find your desired icon here. Let me select, I need only 4 icons, so I'm going to bring these 4 icons to the slide, and I'm going to convert these icons from SVG to shape fill. Group, ungroup, and again Control G to group it. Likewise the second one icon, group, ungroup, yes, and Control G to group it. The third one icon, okay, group, ungroup, and yes, Control G to group it. This is the last one. So with this way you can convert an SVG file to shapefill. So I'm going to give a line icon, so give the same color as the type color to its line. Shape fill, no fill, and shape outline give the same color as the type color. Likewise shape fill, no fill, and put it here in the okay. Shape fill, no fill, and shape outline give this one color and put it here. Friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get every time a new design. Thank you for watching.